Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of the scriptr.io IoT application platform and marketplace with your MultiConnect Conduit IoT Starter Kit for LoRa technology. Scriptr.io released an application that allows you to start visualizing your M.Box data right out of the box. All you need to do is configure your MultiConnect Conduit to connect to scriptr.io. And with a few simple steps, you will start collecting your survey data in the cloud and displaying it in nice dashboards. For that, all you're going to need is your MultiConnect Conduit IoT Starter Kit for LoRa technology and a scriptr.io account loaded with the Asset Tracking app. If you don't have the starter kit, then you're going to need the Conduit, the MTAC LoRa M card, the M.Box, and 2 LoRa antennas. Before we get started, make sure the M card is installed and the Conduit is connected to the internet. First, you need to create the scriptr.io account using the MultiTech promo code. Once you complete the registration process and confirm your email, log into your account and you will see the asset tracking application in the tree on the left. Next, you need to sign in to your device HQ account in order to install a Node-RED app on your Conduit, which will forward incoming data to scriptr.io. For that, go to Store, select Public Apps, and search for scriptr.io Simple Client. Then look for it in the search results. Once located, you need to click Add to My Apps and accept the licensing agreement. To install it on the Conduit, go to Devices and select your device. Then click Tasks, then Install App. Make sure you select the scriptr.io Simple Client and schedule app install. In the confirmation dialog, click OK and wait for the app to install. Next, we're going to set up the LoRa network so that your M.Box can talk to the Conduit. Using your browser, navigate to the Conduit's admin web interface and log in. From the left menu, go to LoRaWAN and click Network Settings. In this interface, set the LoRa mode to Network Server. Then select the appropriate channel plan based on your current location. If you're in the US, you need to select US 915. Set the frequency subband to 1. Then set the network mode to private MTS and confirm. Then submit your changes and navigate to the Key Management section from the left menu. Here you need to set the network ID to name and the name to MultiTech. Set the network key to passphrase and the passphrase to MultiTech. Then submit. For your changes to take effect, you need to restart the LoRa services. Now we need to configure the Node-RED app to use your device's token. For that, launch the Node-RED editor from the Apps menu and log in using your Conduit's admin credentials. Once the app loads in the editor, double-click the config node. To set the auth token variable to your device's token, you need to go to your scriptr.io workspace, open the device directory from the top right menu, locate the device called My Device, and copy its token. Then go back to the Node-RED app and paste it. Click OK, and click Deploy to save your changes to the Conduit. Once deployed, you can go back to your workspace and run the app. Under the Asset Tracking folder, double-click the index.html file to open it in the editor. Then click View to view it in your browser. This will launch the Asset Tracking app. Now's the time to turn on your M.Box and select LoRa Demo. In LoRa Demo mode, I recommend you set the interval to 10 seconds so you can see data flowing in frequently. Now let's log in. The default credentials are Demo. Once logged in, you'll be able to see your M.Box on the map. Since the M.Box doesn't send GPS locations in LoRa mode, for simplicity reasons, the device will show up in a default preset location, which is New York. You can change this value in the Node-RED app if you like. Zoom in on the device and click its marker so you can view the sensor's reading. The small dashboard will show the device ID, the current date and time, the environmental temperature, luminosity, and pressure. I'm going to shine my flashlight on the M.Box and you'll see the luminosity change in real time. If you click View Dashboard, you'll be able to see both real-time and historical readings. Historical readings are displayed in a timeline chart showing the variation over time. Once a sensor value exceeds a certain preset threshold, an alert will be created, and you can view it in the Alerts section. Now let's go back to the map and turn on the GPS survey mode on the M.dot box. Once a GPS location is received, the device will relocate to its actual location. And that's the Asset Tracking app. I hope it was easy to follow. As you've surely noticed by now, you have the source code in your workspace, and you can modify it as you see fit. The code is documented and easy to read. But before you do so, I recommend you read the documentation in the README file under the app folder. If you have any questions, feel free to submit a support request here or drop us an email at support@scriptr.io. Thank you for watching.